edition of DKI University Tech Talk. And today we're going to focus on wall assembly construction. So you know the components, how things are put together, so you can better understand the process of when you have to remove things and to do them properly. So I have a mock-up wall assembly here. I've got some baseboard, some drywall that I put on for perspective, and some insulation. I'm going to go ahead and remove those, and we'll come back and take a look at the wall assembly. Got my wall assembly exposed, so let's run through what these components are. At the top, you will have a top plate. Typically, these will be doubled up. You'll have two 2x4s at the top. You have your vertical framing members here, which are your wall studs. And then on the bottom, you have your bottom plate. Remember, your bottom plate is 1.5 inches thick. So this will sit on your foundation wall or framing assembly. And then your studs here are spaced 16 inches apart. You have your electrical boxes, which are typically attached to a wall framing or a stud. So your outlets and switches, typically attached to a stud here. That's a good rule of thumb when you're trying to find where a stud may be located in a room. Look to the left or right of your outlet or switch a couple inches, and that makes finding a wall stud a little bit easier. All right, and thanks for joining me for this week's Tech Talk. We'll see you next week with a new topic.